Where is the
Right.
barbecue?
What are you putting on a stick there?
Paprika,
Capsicum.
garlic,
Big lumps of garlic.
onion.
Onion.
Yes, onion and chicken.
Yum. This is like in the hotel we're gonna get married.
Yes.
So I'm gonna take my sister and brother-in-law to that Japanese restaurant, but I'm gonna order this. I don't know what they will order.
You like this one?
Yeah, it was so yummy when I went there before.
Okay. This is I can make.
So you're gonna cook it in the pan?
Hmm?
You don't actually have a barbecue.
I have really big that. You want? I show you that one.
Later I'll come and see it, yeah?
That one, big one.
Oh, you mean the oven?
Yes.
Yeah, the oven. So you have two kitchens.
I have two kitchens.
One indoor and one outdoor. Traditionally, you would be cooking in the jungle on a fire that you rub two stones together and make a fire, right?
Yes.
And then you would use the... How did you keep the mosquitoes away when you're trying to sleep?
Then what?
When you're trying to sleep, how did you
Oh.
stop the mosquitoes?
You can make fire.
You make a fire inside the house?
No, under the house.
Oh, under the house.
And then that is the mosquitoes is far away because it's smoke.
Okay, so the fire doesn't make the house catch on fire, you know? If the
No.
fire is too big under the house, it will make a fire to your house,
Because
right?
we just make the fire, the smoke, not big fire.
You know what I think? If you went on, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be yummy. I'm gonna eat all of that.
Okay.
If you went on that Naked and Afraid TV show, you would be easily
It's me for what?
to survive because you can hunt,
Of course.
you can cook.
I can cooking, I can hunter, I can...
Can you take the inside of the animal out yourself with a knife? Cut the animal open?
course.
Good girl.
I
Wow.
do that when I young.
So that means I'm never gonna be hungry.
Yeah,
Even if we don't have any money, we can just find a street cat
yeah.
or a dog.
Just go hunted in the jungle. You know that?
Yeah, I know that. Yummy.
Yeah, of course. You still remember in the restaurant Japanese?
Yeah, I remember. Every year we're gonna go back to the same hotel
Yeah.
for romantic time.
You like that hotel, right?
I like the pool. I like the food.
Food.
Huge
and
bed.
Then, also restaurant near there. All is yummy.
Careful of your fingers. Careful of your fingers.
This is for your lunch, okay?
Yeah. Yep.
Did you see how to the jungle women make this one?
No?
Okay. Now you can see in the
Usually you put crocodile on here, right?
No, I'm not a crocodile.
In the jungle, what do you put on there?
Frog.
Frog.
Actually, not. I'm not eating frog.
You told me you eat frog before.
Oh yes, the frog is not often eat because you must be careful. The frog is have the
Toxins, right?
toxins,
Yeah.
yeah.
Not the poisonous frog. You know which frog is poisonous?
I know all.
Smart. Lola, do you know which frog is poisonous?
Kodok yang beracun, apa kamu tahu tidak? Yeah. No, she doesn't know, and she just went in the TV. I know that.
Oh, in the TV. I don't know either, don't worry. We don't have to eat frogs.
No, don't have it. You have still a lot. Even in jungle, you still have the yummy food. I think. Yeah.